Task 7. So I'm going to talk about 3 important out-of-box tasks in SailPoint. Perform maintenance, full text index refresh, and role overlap analysis. I'll just briefly explain what each task does and highlight some key details from real task results, I guess. So the first one I decided to look into was perform maintenance. Here in the description it says prune identity snapshots, task results, and certifications, as well perform other background maintenance tasks. So I can open that up here. This task is basically just going to clean up old or unnecessary data in the system, including pruning the identities and histories, the task results and such, just to ensure smoother performance by reducing database bloat. So you can see there's kind of more you can add on to it or take away. Yeah. So I did run this task here. We can look at that result. So it looks like no items were pruned during this run. So we did get data back. It ran successful, but yeah, basically nothing. So I guess just running this task on a regular basis just ensures old logs and data are cleaned when needed and prevents performance issues. The next task I chose to look further into was the full text index refresh task. This one here. Build full text indexes for roles and managed attributes. Minimal information here. It basically rebuilds the indexes for roles, identities, and entitlements to just ensure accurate search results in SailPoint. I ran this one. Actually, it's important because if the indexes are outdated, searches may return incorrect or incomplete results. So this task just ensures that users can find accurate identity and role information. So we can look at that task here, the result, and it looks like there was success, which indicates basically that all relevant indexes were updated without any errors. Progress is complete. So it looks like everything looks good here. The last task I decided to look further into was the role overlap analysis task. So we'll go there. Run overlap analysis on selected roles. If I open that up there. So this task, again, just identifies overlaps or conflicts between roles to avoid access risks and violations of SOD duties or policies. We can look at the result. I did decide to check my finance IT role to look further into that one. And just looking at that result here. So, yeah, 0 meaning no changes to the total gain and losses. There were 0 policy conflicts, no SOD violations. This task is important because role overlaps can result in unnecessary or conflicting access. The result shows that the finance IT role is well defined with no issues. But regular analysis helps maintain secure role structures.